Good morning, all, and congratulations to being admitted to Cal Poly Humboldt and also to being admitted into EOP, the Educational Opportunity Program, and SSS, Student Support Services, which is a TRIO program. We're very excited to have you here today. My name is Tanya Marin Zelton. I am the EOP Admissions and Summer Bridge Coordinator. So I'm here to record a video for you today so that you know how to access your Canvas account. It's really important for you to be able to complete your Canvas course so that way you can register for classes. So let's go ahead and begin. You're going to go ahead and go to our Cal Poly Humboldt website, which is humboldt.edu. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on Quick Links, which is right here at the very top. Ta-da! So just make sure to go ahead and click there. Once you're here, you're going to click on My Humboldt. So let's go ahead and make sure you click on your My Humboldt button. Once you're there, you're going to be required to log in. So before I log in and begin, I just want to let you all know, and I'll reiterate it throughout this little video, is that my account is a staff account, so it might look a little different than yours. Don't freak out. Once again, mine is a staff account, so it might look a little bit different than how yours does look like, since you guys are all students. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I have to do extra security since I'm staff. Okay. And ta-da! I'm in My Humboldt. Once again, mine might look a little different because I'm staff and yours is student. So this is your My Humboldt account. If you haven't had a chance to explore, I definitely suggest that you get comfortable with this. There's different links to check your your Gmail, to check your calendar, and the most important thing that we're going to go ahead and do right now is to go to your Canvas course. So this is where Canvas is at, and this is how it looks like. So just make sure that you look for whatever, wherever your Canvas button is at. You should see it right here hyperlinked, and you're going to go ahead and click on the Canvas course. And you are particularly going to look for the Canvas course. More than likely, you'll only see one so far, so you won't see as many options like I have. And you're going to look for the new student registration tutorial, fall 2024. So yours is going to look like this. So make sure this is what you are looking for, and go ahead and click in. New student registration tutorial, fall 2024. Once again, this is what you're looking for. This is the very beginning of the tutorial. Now, all you have to do is read through, click through the buttons, and start here. One thing I do want to point out right away is that we are suggesting that students take 1 to 2 hours to do their tutorial. So please get comfortable, allow yourself enough time, have good internet connection, and have snacks. You can take breaks if you need to in between, but you must complete this whole course in order to register for classes. There's going to be 2 important things that are going to be a part of this, is that at some point during this tutorial, you'll be given a point person on who to contact to register for classes, so make sure you follow through with that. And the second part is that there's a survey at the end. You really need to complete the survey and submit it, and then your second hold will be lifted. So make sure you take your time, you figure out who your point of contact is to register, who you should check in for to register for classes, and as well as completing the survey. EOP is always here. We are your secondary advisors, so if you do have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Our EOP advisors will be checking in with you just to make sure things are okay throughout this next week. But welcome. We're so excited to have you here. And we look forward to seeing you in August. And have a great day.